26th of 2020 weekly Dow Jones chart, down 730 points today. We went over the weekly chart and we're breaking down and we talked about that, okay? And not only did we talk about it, but we had a weak counter rally the other day and we already know what that was. And the high was 26,611. And since that point, we went down here to the lows today of 24,971 and closing at 25,015. That was another massacre. So this month of June, it's technically down now. So because of what has happened with the reversal here, we still have that red line, which is a 20-week moving average, and it's declining, everyone. Listen, the easy money was made from here to the top, and it was. Just want to be very clear that we have called this market. We said that we were going to have a correction right here. And we called the top and we called the reversal. You had a weekly counter rally. This is this week. This is the last 4 weeks right here. So that means that it has broken down to a major critical level. So the next real support is going to be right above 24,000. And we're going to see what happens right here next week. And options expiration Friday just passed us by here a couple hours ago. So there was a lot going on in the Dow 30. The airline stocks were getting crushed. The NASDAQ composite went down to 59.78. NASDAQ 100, we called that down to 52.47. S&P 500 broke down to our target, closing out at 3,009.05, down 74.71. Now, what we will be doing over the weekend with all of our traders worldwide, and you option traders, we're market makers, and we call these moves, and there was a lot of money to be made on the downside. So when there was all the failure going down, then that's how you get paid. When you have all the good things that the Federal Reserve and they were doing with the pandemic and they consolidated, they broke out, you made the high, we called the top, counter, it failed. Yesterday's move on the daily, we showed it. It didn't do right. It didn't get above it. It closed down another 730 points, which makes it even weaker when you have the big down days. You have to have that volatility that we used to have over here with the bad news and the virus. So a lot of this is virus news. It's breakouts. It doesn't matter. What matters is how you make money in this market, and that you don't ride the market down, and that you get a hold of us, 702-685-0772, risk management. We have a risk management team that will work and guide you on what you should do so that you don't write it down and go into misery. In the house of pain, don't do it. You don't have to. All you got to do is make the phone call. Make the phone call. Now, you can also send an email, info@freeoptiontrader.com. Here you go. You're going down. It's failed. We'll be updating everyone over the weekend. We're going to be covering a lot of the other major components in the other sectors that are tied to this market. And then what are the culprits and what is a virus relationship? And, you know, with the rhetoric out on the headline about the reopening of the economy, maybe not be as good as what was anticipated with all of these COVID cases coming up around the world. Well, really in the United States, Texas, Arizona, Florida, LA, soaring again, Nevada, and other places. But nonetheless, the market was able to take that first initial reaction and shrug it off. Now we're getting selling. And in the last month, we have a real big sell, and then we have another real big sell. So, one up day, one big down in the volatility, and I'm going to let everyone go for now. But Just stay tuned. And once again, we're here for you. And all you have to do is either get in the free 5-day trial, which is the #1 alert service on the planet via live trading room. The link will be in the description of the video. Just go click on it now. And then call 702-685-0772. Now, enjoy your weekend, be safe, love your families, and God bless you all.